Now you have a sense of the anatomy of a Google Sheets file, and you know the kinds of values that Google Sheets will accept. Let's see how we can take values as inputs and then generate a formula that automatically calculates some result or output for us. What I'm going to do here is in cell B3, I'm just going to enter a number, 3. And in cell C3, I'm going to enter another number, 4. I'm going to press the equal sign. In cell D3 equals, I can just arrow over or click B3 plus C3. Look up in the formula bar. I've got equals B3 plus C3. Note that B3 is orange and C3 is purple, so that gives me a sense as to where the values are in my formula. When I press the Enter key, 7 comes up. I can work with subtraction. Same old 3, same old 4 as before, but now I'm going to put equals B4 minus C4. See up here in the formula bar. When I press Enter, I get -1. Let's try multiplication. 3, 4 equals B5 times. That's the way that we make a time sign in spreadsheets. So that is Shift 8 times C5. Press Enter. 3 times 4 is 12. How about division? Do 3, 4 equals B6 divided by. That backslash, that's the division symbol. B6 divided by C6. And automatically 3/4 or 0.75 comes up. What makes spreadsheets so powerful, so versatile, is that as soon as we enter one of the input values differently or we change it, the result or output automatically changes for us. In the formula, it's not really saying 3 plus 4, it's saying whatever is being held in B3 plus whatever is being held in C3. As soon as I change B3 to 5, now all of a sudden it's 5 plus 4 equals 9, and we have automatically updated our values. I also want to show you how to work with exponents. Once again, 3, 4, but I want to do 3 to the 4th power. So equals 3, and then that caret sign, Shift 6, 4th power.